You want winglet mirrors on your ZX10? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get them on your bike too. Let's go. What's up guys, I'm X. This is a 2007 ZX10R and we're gonna put winglet mirrors on it. So chances are you saw how cool they looked on race teams, and Ducati came out and put one on their bikes. Everyone wants winglet mirrors now. So Rizoma makes winglet mirrors, but they're not available for every bike. This is off of eBay. I'm gonna show you guys what it comes with, what it looks like, how it works. It looks just like the ones from that Rizoma makes, and hopefully they work the way that we want them to. So like I said, these are off of eBay, and when you open the box, this is what you get, right? I'll put a link down below to these so you guys can order them yourselves if you want. This is it. These cost like 40 bucks on eBay. You know how they work. If you're on your bike, you flip up the mirror part and you have them on each side, right? We're gonna put this on this bike and see how we like it. So these are a fairly simple installation. Take the mirror and simply replaces the one that you already have. The mirror is adjustable. As you know, it can flip up, and there's a screw here as well that you can adjust the angle so that way it looks correct on your bike. The box also comes with the screws that you need, an Allen key, and this rubber grommet for, I'm assuming, better installation. So first step, take the mirrors off of this bike. Okay, so stock mirrors off. First thing I notice when I take this thing out of the box and I align the screws, that's never gonna work because the angle is way too sharp. That's where this adjustment screw comes into play. You loosen this up and adjust it out. All right, so I got the screw loose and I got this plate adjusted. And now if I place it on the bike where see how it makes more sense. So you can adjust it to the angle you need. All right, so I've gone ahead and I've installed the winglet mirror with the supplied screws that the box came with. And I've adjusted it to about the angle that I think it looks best in. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the other side now. You're gonna save the OEM nuts that it comes with to screw on to the supplied screws. Okay guys, easy as that. Winglet mirrors are installed on the ZX10. Gonna take off this plastic wrap here and see what we have. All right guys, this is what we're left with. What do you guys think? I personally like them. I'm curious to see how they perform. Gonna see if I can get on this bike and go for a ride and check it out and let you guys know. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description for where I got these mirrors from. They're available on eBay, they're available on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I may be coming out with more content just like this. In the meantime, ride safe.